Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another project reveal of the Anna Griffin cards packs that you can buy from Tuesday morning. They come in a 4-pack. They come with the envelopes, dimensional tape, and the embellishments and the cards. And then you just put it together, and they even give you like a picture guide. That's the envelopes, the embellishments, and that's the blank cards, and they just show you how it looks laid out, and the dimensional tape. So again, I just pretty much follow her description, but added a little bit difference to it, very minute, just to make it my own. But this is the inside of the envelope, and for this one I have an embossed photo that I can type hooray for birthday on it, or happy birthday. I have either one. In the embossed photo I'm going to do that across the flaps, but I'm just trying to get the videos up quick, but I will have that done by the time I give these to my aunt. Excuse me, it is late. This birthday one, I basically kept it exactly the same. I just popped it up on dimensionals, and the only thing I added was just enamel dots, and basically stands out by itself. This one I added just this melon piece of paper right here and a little bit of bling right there, and that was it on that one. Oh, and some bling on the butterfly, and a little piece of gold right here. And all of these are blank on the inside. So on this one, I added these 2 gold strips on the side, and I also added these flat back pearls. And of course, the centerpiece is up on dimensionals as well. But they're just grounding that in that gold. Made that pop more. And then the last birthday one, I added this pink and that gold strip right here, and then I added those flat back pearls. So just to personalize a little bit to make it my own. And then the next set I have, this one is called For My Friend. And I have 2 sets of those, 2 different ones, but this set right here is in this color combination, and that's what they look like. So for the first one, see, like there's no green in it. I added this green, and I added some some bling, and added some bling on the butterfly as well. And I popped this centerpiece up on dimensionals again. Left these blank. Excuse me. So this dear friend, I added this green strip down the middle, and I added those flat back pearls. And that centerpiece is up on dimensional. I added that gold strip down the middle and the bling, and I just popped up our centerpiece up on the middle. So don't be afraid to just add your own little personal touch, you know, even though you have these card kits, but you don't have to, because in a pinch, you know, it's quick to get it done. They give you the layout how to do it. I did add this gold piece, and I added these flat back enamel dots, and call that a day. And it says for your friend, and of course on the back of all her cards it says handmade by. You can put your name there. And on the inside of this card, that's what that looks like. I mean the envelope. And like I said, this would probably be embossed to say hello. So that was my second set of cards. Just want you to see what those look like, because a lot of times people buy the packages and we don't see them put together. So in case you're interested, or just, you know, in case you want to have some inspiration for making your own AG cards, because a lot of us own her cartridges or her paper. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.